Hey guys, my name is Dasha, and today we will learn how to multiply matrices. 3 by 3 matrices will be examples today. We'll look at 3 examples, and the first example will be related to the previous video about matrices, where we found the inverse matrix A to the minus of the first power of matrix A. And we're going to multiply them right now, because if we multiply them by each other, we'll have a unit matrix. So let's multiply. This means that we will have the first matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 multiply by the matrix 0 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1. This means that we will multiply the row first, then by the column. The next matrix that we will now calculate, let's probably write it down, we'll need more space. In this part, we will have a huge calculation. Here we will end up with the same 9 numbers. To find these 9 numbers, we need to do the following calculations. We'll have it, yes, let's imagine, but they'll each have their own number. I'll explain. For example, if we have the first line, yes, a line, it turns out that this will be the first line. Yes, this is also the first line, also the first line. Here we get the second line, the second line, the second of the term, and here the third. And the columns, the second thing is, yes, a column. Here, let's say in the first part, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. This is the first column, the second, the third. In order to calculate 1, 1, what do we need to do? We need to take the first row, the first column, and multiply. See how it goes. Multiply 0 by 0, add 1, multiply by 1, add 1, multiply by 0. Continue working with the first line, but now we will multiply by the second column. Yes, this one. It turns out that 0 is multiplied by 1, 0 is multiplied by 1, 1 is multiplied by 0, 1 is multiplied by 0, plus 1 is multiplied by 0. And now the third line. 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by minus 1, plus 1 multiplied by minus 1, plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1. Now we will work with the second line. 1, first with the first, yes, column, 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0, plus 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, and 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0. Then the same line, but the second column. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 by 1, plus 0 by 0, 0 by 0, plus 0 by 0, 0 by 0. Next, the last column. 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0, plus 0 multiplied by minus 1, 0 multiplied by minus 1, and 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, plus 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, plus 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, plus 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, plus 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, plus 0 multiplied by minus 1, 0 multiplied by minus 1, and plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1. Let's calculate all these calculations. As a result, what number is obtained in each column and in each row. There will be 0 here. There will be 1. There will be 0, 1. There will be 0, 0, 0, 0. First row, third column, 0 minus 1, 1. It turns out that 1 minus will be 0. There will be 0, 0, 0. There will be 1, 0, 0. It turns out to be 1, 0, 0, 0. There will be 0, 0, 0, right? 0, 0, 0 as well. And here we will have, here will be 0, here will be 0, here will be 1. This is a single matrix. That is when there are only units diagonally here. In this example, I wrote down the matrix right away so that I could multiply. So let's write to help ourselves. So we have the first line, right? Let's draw a row here, a column here. In order not to get confused on the exam, you can do this. That is to draw either visually in your head or directly draw. So it turns out that 2 is multiplied by 0. 2 is multiplied by 0. Plus minus 2 is multiplied by 4. Plus 3 is multiplied by 1. The next number is the same row, but the second column. 2 is multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 is multiplied by minus 1. Plus 3 is multiplied by minus 2. Next. 2 is multiplied by 5, plus minus 2 is multiplied by 7, plus 3 is multiplied by 0. As a result, it turns out here in the second line, 0 multiplied by 0, plus 2 multiplied by 4, plus 6 multiplied by 1. The second column is the second column, 0 multiplied by 2, plus 2 multiplied by minus 1, plus 6 multiplied by minus 2. Now the third column, multiply 0 by 5, multiply plus 2 by 7, plus 6 multiply by 0. Now the third line, 5 multiplied by 0, plus 1 multiplied by 4, plus 0 multiplied by 1. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1, yes, 1. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 1, and plus 0 multiplied by minus 2. And here we multiply 5 by 5, 5 multiplied by 5, multiply 1 by 7, and plus 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0. I deliberately left a place here at the top in order to immediately make calculations here. But you, of course, have a notebook larger than my blackboard. You can write it down further. Equally, let's say start counting. For example, there will be 0 here, right? Here it will be minus 8. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 4 and plus 2 and minus 6. Here it will be 0 plus 8 and plus 6. Here it will be 0 minus 2 minus 12. There will be 0 plus 4 plus 0. Here it will be 10 minus 1 and plus 0. Here it will be 25 plus 7 and plus 0. There will be 0, 0 plus 14 and plus 0. Here it will be 10 minus 14 and plus 0. Let's write down the answer here, right? So 3 minus 8 will be how much? Minus 5. Here it will be, it'll be 4 plus 2, that's 6. 6 minus 6 will be 0. Here it will be 10 minus 14, it will be minus 4. 8 plus 6 would be 14. Here it will be minus 2 and even minus 12. How much will it be? Minus 14. There will also be 14 here. There will be 4 here, there will be 9, and there will be 32. Calculations for multiplying matrices are very simple, but the catch here is that you can simply make a mistake. Well, simply multiply some wrong numbers and that's it. And now let's move on to the third example. Let's draw this large matrix here. Let's start, as always, with the first line. We multiply 1 by 5, right? The first to the first, the second to the second, the third to the third. 1 is multiplied by 5, plus 4 is multiplied by 4, plus 3 is multiplied by 2. 1 is multiplied by 2, plus 4 is multiplied by 3, plus 3 is multiplied by 1. 1 is multiplied by 1, plus 4 is multiplied by 2, plus 3 is multiplied by 5. Everything is visible, right? 2 is now the second line. 2 is multiplied by 5, plus 1 is multiplied by 4, plus 5 is multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 2, plus 1 is multiplied by 3, plus 5 is multiplied by 1. 2 is multiplied by 1, plus 1 is multiplied by 2, plus 5 is multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 plus, yes, the third line, plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2, right? This is with this, with this, with the first column. 3 now with the second column. 3 is multiplied by 2, plus 2 is multiplied by 3, plus 1 is multiplied by 1. And finally, this line with this column. 3 is multiplied by 1, plus 2 is multiplied by 2, plus 1 is multiplied by 5. So what do we get here? 5 plus 16 plus 6. Here we will have 2 plus 12 plus 3. 1 plus 8 plus 15. Here we will have 10 plus 4 plus 10. Here we will have 4 plus 3 plus 5. Here we will have 2 plus 2 plus 25. Here we will have 15 plus 8 plus 2. Here we will have 6 plus 6 plus 1. Here we will have 3 plus 4 plus 5. Let's move on to calculating the final answer. So we'll have 16 plus 6 here. How much will it be? 22. 22 plus 5 would be 27. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3 will be 17. We'll have 16 here, won't we? 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 10 plus 10, 20. 24. 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 7 plus 5. It will be 12. 2 plus 2 would be 4. 4 plus 25, 29. 15 plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 would be 10, 10, 25. 6 plus 6, 12, 13. And here 3 plus 4 plus 5, the same as here, will be 12.